Okay now. That is what bless I just dey observe. They make me they wash shed tears normally, but I no go cry. You understand so? I can't now I come be like say I got the years of kind things for news. We be like say they got the say Italian police, they got the call Nigeria mafias. What did they so? Say Italian police say make una stop that name when be like so now give Nigerians. Nigeria says they not be mafias. I remember that year when be like when be like I think the year Italian mafias. Now Italian mafias, that mean the year. Nigerians, they come this country, they come this country, make they come better their future. But now the package they roughly, I wish it's not called for. Someone has stopped that name when be like say it belong to now one I give Nigeria, so I call Nigeria Italian mafias. See, when I stop that character, all those characters when be like so now possess, you know go where at all, you know go where at all. So Nigeria YouTubers, so Nigeria bloggers, so be like so now the years of cholo when be like say they got the work called Nigeria, una quiet, maybe they give Nigerians mafias. Una quiet, say na go ball out, but I see shoot 1 or 2 pin. Because I see me to understand say Nigerians they not be mafias. Now you other European countries and they package Africa roughly. In Africa, as they enter any European country, they enter the country to take better their future. Back when I know say person go take the countryside, 6 years, 12 years, donkey years. Bali, they not get tender, give them. They just put them for hospital bed, make sure they shop, they sleep, they press phone. When be like so, I know say me and you know say an idle man is an evil man. Even now when be style yourself, no, see, now they shop immigrant money. Now see they pay the lowest money. Now they want to give Nigeria name, say Nigerians they be mafias. So when I use now we school, Nigerians they not be mafias. Now Italians, now me know say na mafias. Since I was born, now all Italian mafias, now me the year, I never hear Nigerian mafias. Someone have stopped that name. When like when I come get Nigeria, so Nigerians they not be mafias. Our countryside. You see balance, but it's just that say we not get good government. Now me because say we come in our country, most also take better our future. The one like say we call no, call the work package roughly. Now keep off for one place. People leave their wife and their children for house. Now leave them. Donkey years. Now not go tell that document. Give them document will be plastic. Like say, no, if Nigeria call your country, then they won't vote themselves normally. If they call that outside this countryside, say no level. Before they call the death row for the street. Even some people for inside the Bogo life, they not they smoke, they not they blaze normally. They not they blaze. But they enter here now, frustration, document not there, the sharp not there. Because they made that the death row enter the street. Now make us the death row. Because normally as we arrive in our country, say also they where like say where would they go if they break? Nobody go think of to do bad thing. So I want you to correct that depression. Our African people where like say they be YouTubers, they be bloggers. When I say look up to this matter. That name when I say Italian police, God they won't give Nigeria. I say Nigerians they be mafia, so make them stop that name. Nigerians they not be mafias. Now Italians now they be mafias. Since I was born, Italian now they hear say Italian mafias. I never hear Nigerian mafias. Someone not give us name when I say not belong to us. We come this country, come better our future. But now they won't give us chance. Work not day, document now not going to give us. What do I call what more do? When I say me and you know say an idle man is an evil man. An idle man is an evil man. You dey somewhere work not day, document not day. What do I want make people do self? Una go sign immigrant contract. If I know say una no go fit share the bees, una go sign the contract. What did they saw Italians? See, una hold title. When they give up a name, when they say don't belong to us, so because Nigerians they not be mafia, so you think they maybe they paro. When they say hear for news, they say Nigeria they be mafias. Italian police got the work, Ghana police got the work called Nigeria, say they be mafias. When they say me, how you know say now not be mafias. Inside there so. During slave trade, now you slave finish. Una come talk chemical for slave body. Una poof all of them. Una see poof brochet for Roma. Una see poof brochet. Una know what they call brochet. That be Jesus Christ. Now Italians and they kill Jesus Christ. Now they be mafia. Where bless I know since I was born. When I got they call Nigeria, I say Nigeria they be mafias. Una stop that name. I beg go. That name na name na be mafias. Nigerians they not be mafias. Nigerians they be humble people. It's just that say we not get good leaders for our country. If not normally we see day well for our country. If not say our country balance, say our government say that they do well, we not even come here self. Someone how they give us name. Maybe I say we not get. The Italian mafias now no. I don't know Nigerian mafias. Now na be mafias. We come this country, come better our future, but now they change that for us. When I say, well, now come Africa is the welcome una. Africa, when all those who yield there, when I say come Africa, and they see Africa, they show their love normally. But what do we just do? When I say, now they want change things. They want to stop that name. That name when I say they call Nigeria, say Nigeria they be mafia. So that will not be Nigerian name. Na Italian mafias. Let me know. No, not be mafias. The Italian police wanna stop that name. Nigeria not be mafias. I dey align my mind. I dey clear my conscience. As I dey shook na the pin, I use that way to na conscience so that I check and balance am. I know say Nigeria say they not be mafias. Na Italian mafias. Now I know since I was born. Nigeria not be mafia. So Italian police wanna stop that name. Wanna stop that name. As we enter the countryside, we enter this to the country, make we come better our future. But now they change that for us. Document are not to give us. Work not day. What do I want make we do? Inside there, even I say some people they for the death row, some people they see they hold themselves. They don't want to stay. They see hold themselves. Some people they sleep on they sleep hospital bed for donkey years. Document are not give them. Pali not day, work not day. Before they go Jean Julius Beggar Company, not be their clear eye. I be to say Africans they happy say that they beg from heart to mouth. When I say they get fiscal combat today also. Now make us the death row. Because I was gonna provide job, so they also normally nobody go get that time. Say what go staff for supermarket called the beg from heart to mouth. No, they work give us name when not belong to us. When I stop that rubbish, what did they stop? When I stop will not be mafias. Nigerians not be mafias. Italian government. Nigeria not be mafia, no be mafias. The Italian mafias now no. Nigeria not be mafia. I'm not they give Nigeria that name at all. Italian police, when I stop that name. As I say the paro, as I say I not get here when I hear that name for you say when I call Nigeria, say they be mafias. Say Italian police they call Nigeria, say they be mafias. When I say me and you know say no be mafias. Na Italian I be mafia. Na Italian mafia now the years since I was born. I never hear Nigerian mafias one. Nigerians they be humble people. But they don't they take rubbish. Nigeria not they make the package roughly. Someone they call us say Nigerian mafias. Nigeria not be mafias. Na Italian mafias. Let me know since they born me. What did they show up Italians? We come in our country, come better our future. We are not going to give us job. We not even immigrant country one aside. We not they release the money they give immigrant. We not they hold everything tight on ourselves. See, you see they won't give us name, say we'll be mafias. We not stop that one, no. We not stop that name. That name not good. Yeah. Now they hear so na be mafia because I don't do some kind many things. Where be like say they not supposed to do self. A whole projet where be like say be our shino bro now na buffer. Now na see use use slave finish. Now see go boof slave during slave trade. So kind rubbish thing where be like say I don't do. Now call the work get the name to Nigeria. I say because they will come in our country. What did they solve say? See, Nigeria government, they want to balance things so kind of things where say they see for the countryside, the where say we got the goal, we know the guys Nigeria government want to balance things. See the kind of name where say they got the Nigeria, say Nigeria they be mafia. When Nigeria be mafia, when you know say the Italian they be mafias. See, wanna take it easy, wanna balance things. Why they call us that name again? You have been Nigeria blogger. What say they hear that name? You know if you talk one or two things, you know if you ship one or two things, Where you buckle up, wanna ball out. But wipe that name come off our head. Nigeria has not been mafias. The Italian mafias, that me don't they hear since I was born. Because they don't do rubbish. Where be like say other countries they never do say. Because be like say Nigeria just attached to a country. Now culture they work on the loot die. When like all those who yield them, if they come to our country, would they make sure say everywhere pack and pack for them. If they come to our country, everywhere they always pack and pack for them. But we can't call their country now, they won't call the package or roughly. No, they want say Nigerians they be mafia. Italian police they want say Nigeria they be mafia. See Italian police wanna do well. Oh. Nigeria not be mafia so now not be mafia when I know. Nigeria not be mafia. Nigeria they be humble people. Just that they don't like rubbish. So, when I shake a balance, you will say they watch this video. If you don't share this video, make it reach Nigeria government and Italian government. Now you can get with God. But don't shoot the pin finish. And as I don't shoot the pin finish, anybody will be like say no like him, now cause sabi, now that they cause sabi when